Zombie apocalypse.
Hello. Thanks for clicking my video. You're here because you want to minimize your mobile data consuming, right? So, please watch this tutorial and don't skip so that you won't miss any details. Let's start. Go to Settings. Find App Management. Click App List. Then click All Apps. Click Data Usage Details. Disable the background data. I'm enabling this, because I'm not using this app, so that it not consumed my mobile data. Do the same process to all apps. I'm not using this app. Do this process. Thank you for watching. Please like the video if it helps you. Support small YouTubers. Thank you.